hit the road again. And today we're going towards Bishkek. But first, we need to find a gas station to get some fuel. From Tadjikistan, like the Pamir 4, the moped, and 95 octane, 10 liter.
In Bishkek I spent the first few days fixing my moped, especially changing the tire and welding my luggage rack. After that it was time to switch things up a bit.
Приям больше удобно, как дорожка.
Okay. Okay.
Cool, man. Good to go?
Yeah.
Alright, safe travels.
Thanks. Bye.
We say keep the rubber side down.
Yeah.
It's preferable.
Watch my bike. Okay. Bye.
See you.
Things I haven't mentioned yet. You probably know that Mongolia wasn't the kindest to the Maxi, and I wanted to do the Pamir highway, but yeah, I was like, nah, the Maxi's not gonna do the Pamir very well. Not the best. But on the upside, I'm kinda cheating on my little Maxi a little bit here, cause I went to the Iron Horse Nomads in Bishkek. There I was in the workshop for a couple days, just working on the Maxi, getting her ready for the next part. And I rented a different motorcycle from them, especially for doing the Pamir kind of. And I'm sitting on it right now. It's here. It's a Honda Super Cup with 50cc from Japan. It has 3 gears, injection, and it should have an oxygen sensor, so it should be more suited, a lot more suited for the Pamir. It's still like kind of a moped or not really a scooter. It's more of a 50cc motorcycle. I don't know. I hope that's okay for you guys. It's still small, it'll still struggle, we will still struggle. But yeah, I really hope it'll work out. Well, somewhere down there is the road where we looked up, and it's still going up. Holy shit, we're covering a lot of meters here. Oh, but Super Cup is doing it. Is doing it. That's Central Asia for you there. Apricots just growing by the side of the road. Small. Ooh, pretty sour. Not too bad actually. I'll take these 4 seats with me. Let's see if I can get them across all the borders back home. over 3,000 meters right now, and we're still climbing. Well, I'm in the no man's land between Kyrgyzstan and Tadjikistan. It's really steep part here. I'm at 4,000 meters, and getting the moped up here is really tough. Would you believe that? I was really worried of getting into Tajikistan with the moped, but it was actually more of a troublesome to get it out of Kyrgyzstan than getting it into Tajikistan. In Kyrgyzstan I waited for 1.5 hours, as I told you, and they had to call the Iron Horse guys to confirm. And here in Tajikistan I just said, yeah, moped, no document. And they were like, oh yeah, moped, sure. And I just paid, I think, the $10 everyone pays to get their quarantine and veterinary documents you probably don't need or could get for free. Now I'll go towards Karkul, see if I can figure out how to best or how the road is in the Bartang Valley, because the guys there told me it should be fine. But yeah, I want to ask maybe if I meet someone on the way. Yes, finally some bad road again, which is still better than washboard. Woo! Ha! Oh, holy crap! Hi. One question. Did you guys come through? Did you guys come through the Bartang Valley or not? How's the river? Very low.
Yeah, I guess it's fine.
Okay.
I thought it should rise a bit more, but...
Yeah, because I want to go down the Bartang Valley, and it would be pretty shit if I got stuck.
Yeah, you probably get problems to get up again.
Yeah.
Can you take enough petrol with you?
Yeah. It just uses a little bit.